everybody, it's Dan and welcome back to my kitchen. Today I'm going to show you how to turn a simple pumpkin into a delicious chocolate cake dessert. A chocolate cake baked right inside of a pumpkin. And really, it's the best of two worlds. Not only do you have a moist, spongy, rich chocolate, yummy cake, scrumptious, you also have that pumpkin that you baked right in the oven right with it. Now, because I did get this idea from the Food Network, I'm gonna post a link to their steps and their recipe down below in the description, but I'll also throw in all of my steps and ingredients that I did for my own chocolate cake. So if you're interested in either, be sure to check them out in that description, as well as be sure to click the subscribe button down below and turn on the bell so you receive notifications every time I post a new video. Now let's go ahead, preheat your oven to 350 degrees, and let's get started on this delicious chocolate cake. Add to a bowl 1.5 cups coffee, 1 tablespoon vanilla, 3/4 cup oil, 3 eggs, 1 cup buttermilk, and a 1/2 cup of sour cream. Now let's go ahead, just grab our whisk or our hand mixer, our hand mixer with the whisk attachment, and let's go ahead and begin to combine all of our wet ingredients on a very low speed if you're using your hand mixer, or with just some light motion if you're using a whisk by hand. Once you have those wet ingredients nice and combined, grab yourself another bowl and let's begin to work on our dry ingredients. So first up, let's sift in 3 cups of all-purpose flour, and let's just begin to sift that flour into our bowl to break up any clumps that we might have. Then we'll follow that up with 2 2/3 cups of white sugar, along with 1 tablespoon of baking soda, a 1/2 cup of cocoa powder, 1.5 teaspoons of baking powder, and 1 teaspoon of salt. Now let's just grab that sift, and just like the flour, we're going to go ahead and we're going to sift all these ingredients into our mixing bowl, and to really help us combine everything evenly when we get to mixing our cake batter. After you have a nice, fine, dry mixture, you want to go ahead, grab your wet ingredients and add them right into that same bowl with all of your dry ingredients right together, same bowl, less cleanup. Then just go in with your hand mixer on a nice low speed, and we're just going to mix our dry ingredients with our wet ingredients until our cake batter is just combined. After you mix all those ingredients together, you have your delicious chocolate cake batter. Now it's going to be time to add this right into our pumpkin. And we want to fill about 3/4 of the way. Now if you have any leftover batter, just go ahead and make some delicious cupcakes. Either way, once you have your cake batter in your pumpkin, you want to go ahead, pop in the oven at 350 degrees, and let bake for a good hour. After that hour, you're going to reduce the oven time to 300 degrees and let bake for another hour and 10 to 15 minutes. Once you're done baking your pumpkin and your chocolate cake, that's it, you're done. After you let it cool for a little bit, slice into it, you have a chocolate cake baked right inside of a pumpkin. And really, it's the best of two worlds. Not only do you have a moist, spongy, rich chocolate, yummy cake, scrumptious, you also have that pumpkin that you baked right in the oven right with it. And tasting it, it's like having pumpkin pie and chocolate cake together. I mean, it doesn't get any more perfect than this. Granted, maybe a big scoop of vanilla ice cream will really take this to that next level. Alrighty, well thank you all for stopping by. I had so much fun testing out this Food Network idea of baking a chocolate cake inside of a pumpkin. Was not expecting it to turn out as delicious as it did. And now that I'm thinking about it, I might run back to the grocery store, grab some mini pumpkins, and try this as pumpkin cupcakes. Oh, well, I've got so many ideas for that. We might do that next week. But anyway, if you want even more delicious autumn recipes, pumpkin recipes, or some tasty, spooky looking, delicious desserts for Halloween, Be sure to click subscribe down below and turn on the bell to receive notifications every time I post a new video. Alrighty, well I'm gonna eat my chocolate cake pumpkin pie combo dessert. Oh, I'm so ready. I think I have ice cream. Oh, I can't wait. And enjoy a nice cup of coffee along with this weather. I hope you all get to do the same. And as always, I'll see you all in the next video very, very soon. Bye.